To welcome the Year of the Dragon or the Year of the Lung, a wave of festive celebrations were held across the globe with people from diverse cultures and backgrounds joining in to experience the Chinese Lunar New Year traditions. On Sunday, the second day of the Lunar New Year, the Place de la République in the center of Paris became a colorful and bustling place where Chinese communities in France gathered to celebrate the Lunar New Year.
Ça fait voyager et ça nous permet aussi à domicile de pouvoir profiter de cette ambiance-là alors que c'est une culture qu'on connaît pas très bien, donc ça nous fait découvrir.
Et on aimerait bien du coup y voyager peut-être à l'avenir, donc c'est top.
Also on Sunday, a traditional parade featuring dragons, dancers, and floats was held in London's Trafalgar Square and its Chinatown neighborhood.
These celebrations of the Chinese New Year aren't just the biggest in the UK, they aren't just the biggest in Europe, these are the biggest celebrations outside of Asia.
A series of Chinese Lunar New Year celebrations were held on Saturday in Southern California, which is home to most Chinese Americans in the United States. New Zealand's capital Wellington held a multicultural festival on Saturday to mark the start of the Year of the Dragon, with various ethnic communities gathering at the National Museum to enjoy a multicultural feast. In Kenya, a Chinese New Year gala featuring traditional Chinese cultural performances was held at the Two Rivers Mall in the northern suburbs of the Kenya capital of Nairobi on Saturday. In Canberra, Australia, Chinese communities also celebrated the 2024 Chinese Lunar New Year with various cultural events.